Hey guys, I'm Angela.
I'm Celeste from
A&C
with a Twist. This is the last week of soccer and 4-H at home.
So make sure to try this recipe at home to earn your points for the Learn and Earn section.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel, A&C with a Twist, for more recipes.
The recipe for this week is snack kebabs.
Let's get started! For the snack kebabs, you will need grapes, and you can use whichever kind you prefer.
You will need cheese cubes. We're going to use cheddar and Colby Jack cheese.
Lastly, you will need pretzel sticks.
The snack kebabs are a super quick and affordable snack.
All you do is stick the grapes and cheese onto the pretzel sticks in whichever order you prefer.
And then you enjoy them.
Let's try it. That is so good.
With the cheese, grapes, and pretzels, all the flavors combined was delicious. Had so many textures, and I definitely recommend you try it.
The cheese and the grapes together were really good, and it was super quick to make.
And that was our snack kebabs.
Make sure to try this recipe at home to earn your points for the Learn and Earn section.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel, A&C with a Twist, for more recipes.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.